Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni with us in the shop, and it came in for a few things. One, that there was quite a long delay after pulling up the lever all the way. That water will actually go from the boiler to the group head. Usually that's just a lot of clogging, which when I went in there, happened to be the case. The whole group head was clogged with coffee, and that's normal for a Pavoni, either this old or use this much. Also, we had a few places on the machine that were just leaking water naturally without having to do anything. So what we pretty much did to this machine is a complete tune-up. And what a complete tune-up looks like is we literally remove the entire group head, take it apart, all the pieces, take the piston out, take the lever out, take the piston that goes up and down out, take all the gaskets off, clean the inside of the group head, clean the piston, clean the lever, clean everything related to the group head, even the pipe that runs into the boiler. I did descale that because there was a bit of scale on it, and put it back together. Next, on the tune-up, we took apart the whole sight glass. What that means is taking this, these are all new parts by the way too, taking this cover off, taking the glass off, putting a brand new glass on there. You got 2 gaskets on each side, plus actually, yeah, you just have 2 gaskets on each side. Replace those. Also disassembled your steam knob. That also has a gasket in there, so we replaced that too. And it was leaking a little bit from here, but now as you can see, not leaking. And after that, we did go under the machine, because every time you move this around, as you can see, I won't do it now, the base was super loose. Like the whole machine will rotate while this stays still. And so we fixed that also. I did not get it perfect. If we were to get it perfect, we would have to go in there and replace a few parts that are holding the base together, because these Pavonis actually have a special type of base compared to the original ones. But I did tie it in enough to where if I tried, you know, it won't do anything. So you're all good there. Now we're going to test the machine. So we're going to start by steaming. Just a little bit of that steam that's in there. As you can see, working well. Again, your knob is not leaking anymore, so you're looking all good there. And now we're going to do a shot. Don't worry if the shot runs a little too fast. I don't actually have a Pavoni tamper on us, and so we're just going to have to deal with it. But once you get to the top, you hear that little suction of water. Usually you want to hold until you see some water come out of the group head, but since we're just testing the video and not trying to make the greatest of shots, we're just going to let it pour. There you go. Actually put a little bit too much coffee, but that's okay. And when you're pouring with these Pavonis, or when you're brewing shots, since your hand is all the pressure that this machine can get, you want to make sure you're doing an even pressure throughout the whole brewing process, or you're going to get a shot that has a lot of different pressure points, and those shots tend to taste interesting. But that comes with just learning your machine, using it for however many years you've been using it. But yeah. That wasn't a half bad shot. Pull all the way down. And I hit the bottom there. And for these machines, since it doesn't have any sort of release valve that releases all that pressure back into the tray or anything like that, you usually want to keep your portafilter in your machine until all that pressure that's still in the chamber leaves through the puck. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.